Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in data science with Facebook, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding the basics of data science.
Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as statistics, machine learning, and data visualization.
Next, determine your investment strategy.
Decide if you want to invest in your own skills or explore job opportunities within Facebook. If you choose to invest in your skills, consider enrolling in online courses focused on data science.
Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer tailored programs. Look for courses that feature hands-on projects and real-world applications.
Once you complete your courses, build a portfolio. Include projects that showcase your ability to analyze data and draw insights. If you're interested in job opportunities, research available roles at Facebook.
Visit Facebook's career page to explore openings related to data science.
Make sure your resume highlights relevant skills and experiences.
Tailor your application to demonstrate your understanding of Facebook's data strategy. Networking is crucial in this field.
Connect with professionals in data science through LinkedIn and professional groups. Attend data science meetups and conferences to build relationships in the industry.
Consider joining Facebook's own groups or forums where data scientists converge. Stay updated on the latest trends in data science.
Follow industry news, tools, and technologies to keep your skills relevant. Explore projects or internships that provide real-world experience.
Hands-on experience is invaluable in mastering data science techniques. Lastly, always seek feedback on your work. Continuous improvement is essential for success in data science.
Commit to lifelong learning and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of technology. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.